Foundation damage is mostly caused by stuff like soil moving around, bad drainage, and tree roots creeping under your house. So, if you want to keep your foundation solid, first thing is to make sure water isn't hanging around your foundation. Get gutters and downspouts that move water away from your house. Next, watch out for those big tree roots. They can mess with your foundation, so maybe trim or remove trees that are too close. Also, keep an eye on plumbing leaks because even small drips underground can wash away soil and cause cracks. If you live where the soil swells and shrinks a lot, like with clay soil, make sure the soil around your house is properly graded and compacted. When building or fixing stuff, always hire people who know what they're doing because poor construction can mess things up big time. Don't ignore cracks or uneven floors. Those are signs your foundation might be struggling. Regular inspections can catch problems early before they get expensive. And remember, preventing water from pooling near your foundation is key, so landscape wisely. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation damage is ignoring poor drainage. Water pooling near the foundation can cause soil to move and weaken the base. Fix that by installing proper drainage systems like French drains or extending downspouts. Another common issue is letting tree roots grow unchecked near the foundation, which can crack or lift concrete. Trimming roots or removing problematic trees helps a lot. Lastly, many folks overlook plumbing leaks under the house. Those leaks erode soil and cause sinking or cracking foundations. To fix this, get plumbing checked regularly and repair leaks right away to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who need projects done, so everyone wins.